Reasons increasing businesses are adopting Web 3.0. The term Web 3.0 is now in vogue. How it impacts business owners. Awesome than you may expect. The advantages of the web were accompanied by a plethora of consumer privacy issues since businesses were able to fuel their marketing and advertising with previously private customer data with little to no protection surrounding that data. While data mining and exploitation were sometimes bad for brand reputation, the internet did assist business owners understand their prospects better. Every industry, including the financial and medical sectors, scored a lower below 50% trust rating in a McKinsey study. The magnitude of several very recent data breaches is the source of the lack of confidence. Billions of records are exposed as a result of frequent hacking incidents at larger and smaller businesses. However, the so-called Web 3.0 generation, also known as the spatial web or the metaverse, may be able to address some of these privacy issues and establish who actually owns the data and makes money from it. Consumers regaining ownership of their data. Web 3.0 promises to fundamentally alter the internet while placing a heavy emphasis on user privacy, a topic that has been discussed for some time but has not been effectively addressed. Web 3.0 uses blockchain technology to power the internet, as opposed to Web 2.0, which used the internet as a platform for application development. The decentralization and transparency of data use by businesses that come from storing customer data on blockchain are said to safeguard such data from breaches. Consumer data ownership rights might possibly cause disruption in the tech sector since many digital behemoths would lose access to the data that provided them an advantage over rivals. One of the cutting-edge technologies that will contribute to this progress is blockchain. Artificial intelligence, AI, augmented reality, AR, machine learning, ML, and virtual reality, VR, are among others. Digital information in Web 3.0 will exist in space, and the distinction between digital and physical material will become less clear, claims Deloitte. Why Web 3.0 should be used by your business. The blockchain technology will make it easier for website visitors to log in. Think about all the times you've logged into websites with your Facebook profile. The blockchain technology operates on the same principle, but unlike the existing scenario, in which Facebook owns your user information, nobody else owns your data with the blockchain. From a business standpoint, your consumers will still have a simple way to sign in on your website, but since it's plainly safer, you won't feel obligated to protect their data for them. Due to the strong security requirements of blockchain technology, Web 3.0 may potentially avoid hacking. Blockchain is unlikely to be compromised because of end-to-end record encryption, according to IBM. Another layer of protection stopping hackers from assaulting your website is anonymizing data and requesting authorization to view it. Currently, IT behemoths like Apple, Google, and Facebook are adopting blockchain to secure their systems. The list of technologies that contributed to Web 3.0 will also assist you in designing extremely effective client journeys. For instance, machine learning and artificial intelligence may be used together to automate more routine business processes, enabling the entrepreneur to concentrate on jobs that demand human interaction. The fusion of cutting-edge technologies opens up new doors for creativity, as seen in Google's creation of augmented reality, AR, technology that works with localization to create 3D maps that will surely make it easier for clients to discover your company. Web 3.0 will also make it easier for you to locate them. The metaverse, which has already started with gaming and its vast audience and purchasing power, will be powered by NFTs, also known as non-fungible tokens, which are placed on a blockchain network and transfer from one network to another. At the moment, a company may employ an NFT connected to a virtual good to contact its target clients among game-playing crowds. Luxury companies, for instance, let buyers buy digital copies of things that first appear in virtual environments before being made available in the actual world. This is a great technique to raise interest in the product and generate buzz before it is released. Prospects will feel more at ease visiting your website as a result of Web 3.0's enhanced consumer privacy promises. Additionally, cutting-edge technologies like AI, ML, and VR will work together to create a 3D experience that blurs the lines between digital content and physical goods, benefiting companies as well as customers from a more improved, safe involvement. Subscribe and not forget to hit the notification so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. I know you have something on your mind. Please share your thought on the comment section and don't forget to like. It will help our channel to grow. Watch the next video, it is more informative. Let's continue.